Okay, this is just a quick video to say thanks to frantic57744. I received this package in the mail today, and in it was some fantastic stuff for making your own picks and handling them as well. In it was some super strong adhesive, excellent stuff mate, cheers. Some shrink tube for the handles, cotton buds for cleaning up, and some wiper inserts, cheers mate. There was varying grades of sandpaper, and also in the package was this excellent pick set, really well made. You've got a long reaching hook, a long hook, short hook and a half diamond. There was various tension wrenches, got a double twist flex, a rigid one, and 3 top of the keyway tension wrenches, excellently made and all work really well. So yep, cheers mate, thanks a lot, check this guy out.